Good morning, Team Blaze. I'm Colonel Samantha Weeks, Commander of the 14th Flying Training Wing, and I'm coming to you today with a coronavirus update. As a base, we're going to change from our Health Protection Condition Alpha to Bravo today, Wednesday, March 18th. The reason that we're doing this is because we have had one confirmed case of coronavirus in the county just north to Lowndes County in Monroe County. Bottom line, what this means to you is that we're going to protect you and our population, whether airmen or family, by increasing our sanitization efforts, maximizing our social distancing, whether that is at work or at home, increasing our telework opportunities, and taking care of our high-risk personnel. For visitors on base, you're going to see a change today. We're going to limit on-base visitors to loved ones only. I'm not going to define that any greater, and I'm not going to define a number that is associated with that. I'm going to ask each and every one of you to use your own diligence in maximizing social distancing and minimizing the visitors that are required for your daily life. For gatherings on base, what you're going to see is we're going to continue to follow the CDC guidance and have gatherings of less than 50 people. But again, I'm going to ask for your diligence in meeting the President's guidance of less than 10 to the max extent possible. For community service, this is probably the biggest place where you're going to see changes across the base today. For food options of the bowling alley, Subway, and Ragin' Cajun, as well as Coffee on Fifth, they're going to be takeout only. This is to maximize our ability to social distance, and I request that you use that same philosophy in your off-base eating and social engagements. Avoid bars and nightclubs and restaurants to the max extent possible, and utilize takeout as your option, please. For the library, they're going to be closed to patrons. However, they are doing a great job at finding innovative ways to connect with you through their online programs. Airmen and Family Readiness Center is also going to be one-on-one appointments only so that we can still meet your needs as airmen and families, but we also are protecting you and our population. The gym is going to remain open because that is a readiness requirement that we have on this base to ensure that we are ready to go as airmen. However, to try to meet our safety, we are doing hourly cleaning as the community there, and then I'm going to ask each and every one of you who utilize the gym to clean your equipment before and after with the products provided so that I can protect you. Freedom Park is also remaining open at this time, but we recommend that you wash your children's hands before you play at the park as well as after you play at the park, and we have the bathrooms open as well as soap provided, and recommend that you also bring your own hand sanitizer. The chapel is going to be open for one-on-one issues that may arise that you need their services, but from a program standpoint, they're also going to transition to online support only for their services. Military training for our mission is going to remain on schedule, but we're going to meet the CDC guidelines for numbers as well as space requirements and cleaning also. For our flying mission, we are going to fly to military bases only, and there are additional squadron restrictions placed by the squadron commander for crew activities to again maximize safety. What I'm doing here on the base as the commander is maximizing our telework opportunity for our civilians and our military members, and if you think again that telework is something that you can do, I implore you to talk to your squadron commander about it. For our high-risk people on the base, which are those who are over 60s, those who have diabetes or heart or lung disease or are immunocompromised, I'm also going to ask you to talk to your squadron commander because I've worked with the CPO office to maximize our flexibility to support you in this time to protect you from contracting the disease as it does spread across the nation. Another big change that you're going to see in the upcoming days is our access to medical care. We expect on Monday that we are going to implement changes at the medical group and how you access the medical compound so that we can protect our providers and the facility for you and your families. Expect that we will develop a very detailed and robust video and education plan so that this does not catch you off guard as we change those procedures. On our Facebook page, what you will see is that we've changed the cover page to give you some kind of at the moment updates as to what's going on nationally and locally. So we are going to highlight our health protection or HPCON level, our travel restrictions, the Mississippi number of cases as well as testing that's been accomplished, and Columbus Air Force Base confirmed cases and number of tests that we have done here on our installation. And I want to let you know that we do have tests on base. I will be posting some additional educational videos of truly how social distancing can minimize the spread and transmission of this disease and get us back to a sense of normalcy as a nation. I highly recommend you watch them because you'll see that your actions on the individual level can really change the scope and scale of where this disease is going to spread. Together, we can truly reduce the communal impact of COVID-19 on us as individuals, families, base, community, city, and nation. And I am thankful for everything that each and every one of you are going to do to protect you and all of us. Thank you very much. And again, do not hesitate to reach out with any of your questions. Have a great day.